Should we go down? Should we do 5?
Yeah.
Alright, 5 points. Who's going to be the third one done?
I guess me. I'm done right now.
Are you? Oh, yours needs to look like mine.
4.
Oh, look, it's so lovely. Make sure when I come around, it's standing up so the front is facing front. You done?
Yeah.
Is it straight?
Coming off.
Oh, no, yours flaps are falling off.
I like madness too.
Ah, no, it's the glue.
Yeah, cut us some slack.
I got a perfect.
Will you check to see what's going on with his?
See, if you got
Thank
like
you,
funky glue, we could hold this a second.
Oh, if we had the regular glue that was like sticky glue, it would be the
It
easiest
was
thing.
right, and it would take a while to dry.
Yeah, but that's kind of the fun of it, right? We're like messing around, trying to figure it out.
Okay, I got it. Finally, done. Keep saying.
Alright, 4 points. Ew.
Oh my God.
I got just you. Want to do? Look, you don't have to glue on
Exactly.
everything.
What I'm supposed to put this 4 point second, sister out of space. Miss Horn, when I'm supposed to put this 4 point second, because I'm out of space.
See,
Like, literally.
will you check on Antonio and see what he did there?
For me?
Yeah, you. Oh, yours is a mess because there's glue everywhere.
Yeah.
You can go out into the building community points if you're not. If you don't.
All these little.
Didn't put enough glue on the right places, you just put a ton of glue on the wrong places.
Miss Horn
Oh,
is giving me so much
glue's
money.
for your paper, not your hand. Come here. We're so close. I can feel it. We're so close.
So then that means she gets 3 points.
Who? We're not done yet.
Tati.
Wait to give her. As soon as we're done, you can give her the points, okay? Just fine. He'll roll it up. I know people love doing that.
And whoever gets done last get 2 points. That makes it so much.
I'm missing tops. Tops for glue.
They'll make it easier.
This one, can you do this?
Of course. Have Miss Moore.
What?
You would just put a circle
What?
around.
Oh, you get 3 points.
Put
Steve.
glue right now. Put glue right
Could
now.
y'all stop calling me Miss, please?
Guess what? You were giving out points, so I just called you Miss.
Yo,
Oh, yeah.
give me your thing. I get the thing. So I figured your hands. Y'all
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
No, give it.
You're welcome.
Chance.
Yeah.
So,
Give yourself 2 points.
You want to give yourself another
You give yourself another 2 points and give yourself another 2 points as well. All right, guys. Make sure it looks like we are almost all done. Are we almost all done?
Oh, there we go.
Did he explain how to do it? Awesome. If you need help, let me know. Persevere. Guys, here's the deal. I need all glue sticks to have caps on them. I'm going to turn around and collect them.
Antonio gets 1 point when he's done.
He actually got 2 because he was persevering through this project while everyone else was screaming and helping each other.
And then you get an extra.
Thank you, Tati, for actually finding that because I had no idea where
Sorry
it
for the
was.
interruption. This is a reminder that at lunchtime, 10th, 11th, and 12th graders who are interested in participating in the all-school assembly lip sync battle, please see me at lunch to give your suggestions.
Who's playing? Who's going to do it against me?
I'm not every time I never. Wait,
You're going to do it? You're going to do it?
What is the lip sync battle tomorrow?
Let's sync battle tomorrow. All right, guys, refocus on me. I need
What's y'all
everyone back in their seats in 3, Tatiana. In 2, Dion, actually in your
I'm
seat.
gonna fall out laughing.
Huh?
If y'all lip sync one of them Tina Turner songs, I'm gonna fall out laughing.
Ooh, you're giving me
Or
an
it gonna be,
idea.
if you do the rolling song, I'm gonna be so happy. Rolling down, rolling.
Oh my God, you just gave me an
I love
idea.
that song, but it's
All right.
so funny.
How many seconds should I give him to be in a seat?
10, 9, 8,
7,
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know if you made that. I'll be honest. I don't think you did. You were clapping for no reason. All right, so here's what we're going to do. You all have beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rectangular prisms. I have a question.
Yo,
What is the surface area of this rectangular prism?
it's 180.
No, 80.
108, my bad. You know I'm terrible with numbers.
Why? Why, Chance? Why is it 108?
We added all the stuff.
We added up all the areas and sides. Did it change?
No.
No, we just folded it and glued it together. We didn't change anything about its surface area. So here's the deal. We are going to make a formula together. And guess what? He did it while we were calculating the surface, or while we were calculating the sum of the areas of the net. You actually kind of created it in your head. So can you work with me, Dion? I'm going to use your brain. Ready? Look at me.
Yeah, give yourself 2 points for doing it. You gotta do
This was awesome. So I'm going to draw a picture.
You have to ask for a thing I said. And the second one, help people out.
Just really quickly, so everyone's on the same page. The guy that says front, can you have him facing the front? Guy that says top, can you have him on the top so we can all look at the same part of our rectangular prism? Yeah, I can already tell you this is oriented wrong.
Okay, front. This is bottom.
So
This is how I go.
Okay,
so put it right in front of you so the front is facing you.
this is top.
Whatever, you get that.
Top. This is the front.
You
That's
got
the
it.
back.
You got it.
Out.
So the front should be facing
You got
you.
it?
Yeah.
Okay?
It's on you. You got it?
It's kinda hard.
Now the mix is ain't more fast.
Need some more help?
Antonio, there's one expectation you're not meeting for me right now. Drop it. You got it. Alright, so make sure yours is oriented the same way. Everyone's front should be facing them. Where's your front? Front, top, just like that. Where's your front? It's back.
Miss Horing gonna be tired when she do the rolling song, cause you know it's smooth.
The
and
ball
it's
is
like-
done.
Alright,
Hey, you see that mother
so now everyone looks the same. You ready to focus on this and not talk about the lip sync battle? Because we don't have time for that. My front, I'm going to draw the front of my cube. The front, what is the length on the side of the front?
You can close the
Say
door.
the side,
You
it's
can look
18. Isn't it 18? The side?
Well, tell me the length of the front at the bottom. Look at your cube. I mean the rectangular prism. Look at the front. What's the length down here?
It doesn't.
You said
Yeah.
Need some lunch.
Six.
Okay. Tatiana, I'm asking you the next question. You ready?
So wait, what are you
You're just looking up at me because we're making a formula right now. So, right now we have how long it is. Now, Tatiana, if you're looking at the front, check out the front. Look at me. You can look at mine because yours is the math. How tall is it? Beautiful.
I get it.
4 inches. Now,
This is 6.
Douglas,
Yeah.
is this a 2D or a 3D image?
No, that's 3D.
Is it 3D?
No, 2D. My bad.
Why? It only has these 2 dimensions, right? How can I make it a 3D image? Well, you guys,
Add one more gunner.
let's do it. Let's add some more lines on there, right? Does this kind of look like ours?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we need one more dimension. Look around and try to find me. This guy is called the width. It's how far back it goes. How far back does our rectangular prism go?
4. Wait.
Look carefully. 3 inches. What are you doing over here?
So 6, 3, and then the height is 4. Is the height
Are you
4?
just trying to draw?
No.
Wait, is the height
you a
4?
lazy artist?
I'm getting confused.
Leave me
So,
alone.
I think the height is 4.
I'll fit to one. Okay, I'm done.
sit down.
I'll fit to one. I'm done.
Yeah.
Okay, here come.
So we have 6 plus 3.
You're holding up the whole class right
So is the height 4 exactly?
That's what this is.
Yeah. Half that.
So the height is going to be 4.
now. So we're going to name these dimensions just like Chance is trying to do. Very quickly,
Yeah.
I'm going to name these things length, height, and width. Okay? And we're going to figure out which is which. So when we think about our 2-dimensional figures, so Douglas told me you don't have to do any math for this, I just need eyeballs. Especially yours, Z, because I'm about to ask you first. You ready? Yeah. This guy right here, in a 2-dimensional figure, this 6, is this a length, a width, or a height? What do you think? What do you think this guy is? The width? We used to have them do it with the width. Say it again. Length. Our length is going to be 6 inches. Now, back to the first question. How tall is it? There's no telling us how tall it is. Yeah, 4 inches. So, we have like times height. Who's not correcting me?
I'm trying to, but I'm getting a little bit confused.
I know, we're going to talk about it as soon as I write down. The last thing we need to do is we need to do 2 of the sides. The sides, well, we need to use this height and we need to use this width. So we call this 2 times width times height. Now, why do I keep writing 2s in front? Why did I need the 2s? I forget. Why did I put 2? Why didn't I just say I need to find the length and the height? Well, what did we say? How many 24s do we have on our net? We have 2 24s. How many 18s do we have on our net? And 12? Exactly. 2 times each of the sides because there are going to be matching sides in a rectangular prism. Antonio, eyeballs. Thank you. Zeke, here's what I'm going to tell you. If you look at the middle of the page, there is the algebra where it says S, which I actually like to call it SA, because what does that stand for?
Side,
What are we learning?
side,
Service
area.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Surface area. Thank you, because I need it. This baby is the surface area formula, and this is what we're going to be using all day today. Oh, God, no, not only your before it's heck. All right, here we go. There are 4 blanks that we are going to skip and come back to at the bottom of the page.
Come on. I'm still confused. You can at least explain.
We are totally, but we're going to try it out because I think that's going to help you be not so confused. We're going to actually do it. Over to the first item. I'm looking for people who are ready to go. Oh, Douglas, give yourself a point. You are so ready to go.
Okay, so it says follow along as you turn
Oh, that dang it.
of the rectangular prism.
Dion, don't be offended.
What?
Don't be offended. I already did all the work. Sorry about it. All right. What we need to do is we need to look at this rectangular prism on your paper. I'm going to try my best to draw it, but again, Miss Horing's not a great drawer. We know that. So let's see if we can make it happen. For the we do section, can I have you draw? I'll do the I do, you do the we do.
Yeah.
Deal? All right. So I got this guy coming up. He's got a length of what?
Length of 15 L.
Awesome. So where you see L on your paper, please write 15.
I bet you'll see math better than that.
I bet yours is way better than that. There's no question on mine. Have I ever said that I'm good?
No, you never did.
No. Length. Chance already told us that the length is 15 meters. So please put this down in your paper. I want to see pens moving. Give yourself 2 points. 1 point. Pens are moving. Zeke, give yourself 1 point. 1 point. 1 point.
You said 4 points.
Did you answer? Yes, I did. All right. Why don't you answer the second one, Tassie? So you can get
Did
2.
you say 4 points or what?
1. For the width, Tatiana, the width is how far back it goes. How far back does it go? This is hard to see. Oh, you got it. Tell me out loud. 2 meters. Nice. Give yourself 2 points. Zeke, how tall is it? What is the height? Beautiful. Write down 5 meters. I already, because I was just so nice, it's ridiculous. For the first couple problems, I wrote down the formula for you. So notice, surface area equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. First one, I'm going to write this out. For the second one, someone else is going to come up and write it out for me. Huh? So here we go. As I ask, will you guys shout out, what is the length? Oh, wait.
12.
Wait. This is so important. Dion, go sit down. This is what I told you. Okay, let's go back to the PDM. Do you remember the PDM?
Yeah.
Okay. What was the thing I told you about when you put a... Antonio. I hope you're listening because this is important. When you substitute a value in... Hold tight. I need you to hear me, so I need your focus. Say it louder. You put it in parentheses. So we're going to practice that as we substitute these values in. I'm going to look at your paper, and you are going to do exactly what I do. My length is 15. I found it because it was up here. In parentheses, I put 15. Antonio, hands moving. Ready? Let's do this. Then my width is 2 in parentheses. Dion, hands moving. Let's do this. Plus 2 times my length, which is 15. My height, which is 5. Plus, this is going to look super long right now. I don't know if you can fit it, but make sure you're writing small. Width is 2. Height is 5.
Okay, so this is oh, I see.
I'm looking at each letter. So you're going to literally copy this, but instead of putting L, you're going to actually put 15 instead. So try writing this all out right here for me. Let me see it. You're going to go right down? Douglas, maybe until the board gets fixed, you should sit here so it'll be easier.
Okay, so is it cool that I let my mouth go because I was starting to get
Yeah, that's okay. What do I have going on?
I just started turning.
This one is for you.
Hey,
Love you, Dion. Got it? You get all it? Alright, so what I want you to start doing. If you're ahead of the game, you've already written this down. Check out your next step. I'm not going to erase it. Oh, no. We are going to multiply 3 chunks. This chunk, and this chunk. So in your calculator, you got 2 times 15 times 2. Write it down underneath. Make sure they are lined up and beautiful. So your work looks like Chance's when she makes her little arrows. Ooh, love those. Alright, see what I've gone on there?
Yeah.
So watch this. See how this looks, Douglas, as you do it, the L needs to be right under, because the L is 15. See that?
Yeah.
Ooh, adding. Do you see me?
I mean, multiply.
They died. It scared me. I thought you were going to add first. Woo. Gave me a heart attack. Like I didn't teach you anything.
Hey, don't say that.
Antonio is also excellent lining up his work. There's an extra 2 there. I don't know why.
There you go.
Check this out. 2 times 15 times 2. That's it. See how that's plus sign? Stop there.
3 times 2 gives you 60.
I'm done. Up.
And the other one you get 100, 50, then you get.
I think you get it, but I'm fine.
So is these 3 numbers correct? Just,
You're about to find out. Dion's writing them up on the board.
You can do it.
You're doing it yourself.
3 times 6.
Are you done writing the whole thing out, Douglas?
Yeah.
Alright, then watch as we actually multiply all of them together. Ready?
Yeah.
Should be. Beautiful. What should be in between all of those numbers?
That's fast.
Here's a point. Plus signs, you drag them down.
So we add them now.
So Chance is going to do the addition for us, and she's going to erase. Dion is going to do it in his head.
Equals, oh, I got it. Equals 2, 30, and square. Okay, I have a huge problem with this M square.
She can't count fast.
Alright, so as you add them, you put in your calculator 60 plus 150
That's so
plus
friend
20,
over there though.
230. And what are my units? M squared. Because we are talking about area, aren't we?
Yep, and you're not going to.
Oh, I got it.
What's that?
You got it right?
Yeah, I got that 5 fingers.
Oh, was that your goal?
Yeah.
Killed it. Alright, guys.
I go with $1.50.
Here's what we're going to do. Let's check our timing. Alright. Why don't we do the next one on our own and check it together, and then I'll let you guys go.
Alright.
While everyone, this one's a tough one. Do you see how there's a lot of different things on there?
I thought we said we was gonna let me.
Do you want to draw it? Do you see how complicated the second one is? You can try drawing it. So what I want you to do is, for the very first thing, on your own, try to figure out what is the length, what is the width, what is the height.
I can erase
Then we're going to pause and check it when Dion's done.
I can erase this.
Yes, please do.
I'm back.
You can do it on your own. Do this. You are at the point where all you got to do is